Alam nyo ba na being a real estate virtual assistant is so much more than just admin work? Like kung iniisip mo, oh, magta-type-type lang, mag-i-email lang ako, wait. I got news for you. Real estate is a revenue machine. That means every call, email, appointment, or listing can directly affect how much money your client earns. Kaya as a virtual assistant, ang trabaho hindi lang bastang tulong-tulong. Ang trabaho is to protect time, money, and momentum ng client mo. Hindi ka lang nagta-type ng emails or nag-check ng schedules. Ikaw yung operational support ng isang business na gumagawa ng pera, and your actions can make or break their deals. So every task you do, every system you organize, every lead you follow up matters. Kasi in the end, you are helping the business run smoother and faster. That's the power of a real estate virtual assistant. Now, you might be thinking, okay, sounds heavy. Ano naman para sa akin, di ba? Para ganun yung question lagi. Here's the deal. Being a real estate virtual assistant teaches you business ops, client management, and high-value support. Hindi lang skills ang natututunan mo. It's all about understanding how revenue works, how deals move, how to be a key part of someone else's success. In short, you level up your career faster. You get exposed to a high-paying industry, a sustainable industry, which I can personally attest to because ito yung pinakamatagal ko industry na hinawakan. And you become more than just a task doer. You become a trusted partner. So if you want to grow as a virtual assistant, don't settle for just admin tasks. Learn the business, protect time, protect money, and momentum. That's how you would step up, earn more, and become an essential part of your client's business. Now, if at any point in time you feel like real estate virtual assistants yung nakalaan para sa'yo, mag-comment ka ng Reva dyan. Isasend namin sa'yo yung link on how to join our next class for real estate virtual assistants. May kasama tong internship, so you get to practice talaga kung ano yung pag-aaralan natin sa class. Heads up para sa old mentees ko na nag-attend ng real estate virtual assistants before. Meron tayong bagong course outline, and if you wanna attend again, mag-email lang kayo sa support. Comment and questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis, and we'll see you at the classroom. Bye!